Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel One to Step, and in today's tutorial video I'll be showing you guys how to change a private channel into a public channel on Slack. So let's get started. So first of all, the thing that you need to know is if the channel has a lock sign, that means it is a private channel, and if the channel goes by the hashtag sign, that means it is a public channel. So I'll be changing my content channel, which is private, into a public channel. So once you click the content, here you can see the channel details. So click on this icon. So once you have entered this interface, click on settings. Here you can see change to public channel. So click on this icon. So we are ready to go. So boom guys, this way you can change your public channel into a private channel into a public channel. I hope you guys liked today's tutorial video. If so, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. See you guys in the next video. Till then, peace.